Samsung Galaxy Zero. Zero bezels, fully excitement. With front back gloss, Gorilla Glass 6 and aluminum frame. Ultra fast 5G modem connectivity. IP68 dust water resistant certified. With dynamic AMOLED touch screen. 6.7 inches zero bezel display and 120 Hz touch sensing. Resolution 1440 by 3040 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and featured HDR10 Plus and always on display. Operating system Android 11. With Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and Adreno most updated version. With 8 10GB of RAM and 256 512GB of storage. Triple rear camera, LED flash. Pop-up selfie dual camera, LED flash. .5mm audio jack and USB 3.1 Type-C. Optical under-display fingerprint scanner. Fast battery charging 45 watts and USB power delivery 4.0. Fast QI PMA wireless charging 25 watts and power bank reverse wireless charging 18 watts. 5000 mAh huge battery. Samsung Galaxy Zero. Zero bezels, fully excitement.